Hey everyone, I'm Sammy. I scored a 179 on the LSAT, and in this series, we're going to go over a question really quickly. I've never seen this question before, so let's see if I get it right. Question: which one of the following, if true, most strengthens the climatologist's argument? So here we want to help out the argument that they give us in the stimulus. So, climatologist: over the coming century, winter temperatures are likely to increase in the Rocky Mountains due to global warming. Okay, so the temperature in the winter, let's make it concrete. It's going to go from 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in the Rocky Mountains because of global warming. This will cause a greater proportion of precipitation to fall as rain instead of snow. Okay, so if the breakdown of precipitation used to be like 50% rain, 50% snow in the winters there in the Rocky Mountains, now maybe it'll be 70% rain and 30% snow. Therefore, conclusion, the mountain snowpack will probably melt more rapidly and earlier in the season, leading to greater spring flooding and less storable water to meet summer demands. Okay, so the connection or the lack of connection that I'm seeing is between this higher quantity of rain and then all of the rest of this stuff in the conclusion happening. How come just because the rain is going from 50% of the total precipitation up to 70% of the total precipitation, why does that mean all of this stuff will happen? So to strengthen the argument, we basically need to say, no, that stuff really will happen. Here's our answer choices. Let's take a look. So we want something saying that the increase in rain will lead to all of that. Okay, so I went with B. I got it right. So I was between B and D. I like B because it's more, so B and D both strengthen the argument by saying, look, this was the case in other locations. I think that B is more analogous to the situation here where we're sort of in these Rocky Mountains and other mountainous regions. I think B is more applicable, more analogous in terms of drawing a comparison between what they're saying in B to the context in the stimulus than D does. But I think if you chose D instead of B, not bad. All right, we got this one right. Tune in tomorrow for the next one.